5 best and worst trade jobs for 2025. What's up, trade warriors? Look, I'm going to be real with you right now. After 29 years in HVAC and 15 years running my own HVAC business, I've seen some stuff. I've watched guys make bank in trades that everyone said were dying. I've seen people chase the hot careers only to get burned worse than touching a live wire with wet hands. Don't do that, by the way. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Today we're breaking down the 5 best and 5 worst trade jobs in 2025. And I'm not going to sugarcoat it like some career counselor who's never held a wrench. This is coming from a 50-year-old guy who's been in the trenches literally and figuratively. Number 5 worst, traditional coal mining. Listen, I respect the hell out of miners. Those guys are tough as nails. But let's be honest here. The writing's on the wall, and it's written in bright green letters. They say renewable energy. Coal mining jobs have dropped 50% in the last decade. Companies are shutting down operations faster than I close my fridge when my wife asked me if I ate the leftover pizza. I did eat it. Sorry, honey. The pay is still decent, around 60K to 80K. But job security? It's shakier than my ladder when I forget to lock the legs. If you're in coal mining, start planning your exit strategy now. Don't wait until the mine closes and you're scrambling. Number 4 worst, traditional print press operations. Remember newspapers? Yeah, me too. Print press operators used to be the kings of the publishing world. Now, most newspapers are laying people off or going fully digital. The median salary is around 37K, which was decent money in 2005. Today, you can make more managing McDonald's. And here's the kicker. Even packaging and commercial printing is getting automated. Those big fancy machines are replacing human operators faster than AI is replacing, well, everything else. Number 3 worst, basic construction labor, non-specialized. Now hold up before you come for me in the comments. I'm talking about basic construction labor. The guys who just move materials and do general grunt work. Not skilled trades, not specialists. The problem? This work is getting automated and outsourced to temp agencies that pay garbage wages. Plus, your body is going to hate you by age 45. I've seen too many guys destroy their backs, their knees, their shoulders doing basic labor, only to make $15 to $18 an hour with no benefits. If you're in construction, specialize. Learn electrical, plumbing, HVAC, or become a project manager. Don't stay stuck moving concrete blocks for 20 years. Hey everyone, if you're having some trouble deciding what trade career to choose, check out Course Careers free intro courses where you can learn more about certain careers and determine which one would be the best fit for you. There are trade courses on HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, and supply chain coordinators. I have provided the link in the description and pinned it in the comments below. Number 2 worst, telephone line installers / repairers. This one hurts because these guys used to make bank. But think about it. When was the last time you saw someone install a landline? Everything's going wireless or fiber optics. Traditional phone lines are going the way of the dinosaurs. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 21% decline in these jobs through 2031. These guys still working are mostly maintaining old systems, which means the work is disappearing every time they fix something for the last time. Number 1 worst, small engine repair, lawn equipment. This might surprise you, but hear me out. Electrical lawnmowers, leaf blowers, and chainsaws are taking over fast. And when the electric mower breaks, you don't repair it. You return it to the store you bought it from. I used to send customers to this great small engine guy for their equipment. He closed shop last year after 30 years. Why? Because people are buying $200 electric mowers instead of spending $150 to repair the gas one. The market is shrinking, and the remaining work pays peanuts. All right, enough doom and gloom. Time for the good stuff. The 5 best trade jobs for 2025. These are the careers that are going to make you money, keep you busy, and actually have a future. Number 5 best, plumber. Look, I know what you're thinking. Plumbing? Really? Yes, really. People are always going to need water to flow and waste to flush. Here's the kicker. With all these new fancy smart homes and eco-friendly systems, plumbing is getting more complex, not simpler. Median salary is $59K, but master plumbers in major cities, they're pulling $80K to $100K plus easy. But here's where it gets real interesting. Get your contractor's license and start your own plumbing business. Now you're looking at $150K to $300K plus annually. Plus, you literally can't outsource this job to India. You can't download an app to fix a bursted pipe. And emergency calls? Ka-ching. I know plumbers making $200 plus an hour for weekend emergency work. The training is 4 to 5 years, apprenticeship included, but you're earning while you're learning. Check out those course careers plumbing classes to help you understand how plumbing works. These classes will help you be confident starting out your new trade career. They can also help you land your first job. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below.
Hi, quick break here. I've been an HVAC tech for 29 years, and the best way I recommend to get into HVAC without having any experience is through Course Careers' free HVAC course linked in the description. It will teach you exactly how to get hired, and if you decide on the full course, it covers everything you need to get your first job. The full course includes the skills to do the job and everything you need to actually get hired.
Number 4 best, solar panel installer. Another green energy winner. 63% job growth expected. The solar industry is exploding. Every new house, every commercial building, everyone wants solar panels. Median salary is around $47K, but master installers in California and other demanding areas are pulling $70K plus. Get your contractor's license and run your own solar installation company. You're looking at $200K to $500K plus per year. I know solar contractors who are absolutely crushing it right now. The best part is physically demanding enough to keep you in shape, but not brutal enough where you'll hate your life at 50. Number 3 best, HVAC technician. Okay, I'm biased here, but let me tell you why this trade is golden. People will always need heating and cooling. Climate change means more extreme temperatures. More extreme temperatures means more HVAC work. The median salary is $51K, but I also know guys making $80K to $100K plus. And here's where I speak from experience. Get your contractor's license. I've built my HVAC contracting business to where I'm making $250K to $400K annually. Some of my contractor buddies are pulling even more. And here's the secret sauce. HVAC is recession proof. When the economy tanks, people still need their air conditioning fixed. They might skip a vacation, but they won't skip comfort. Plus, with smart home technology and energy efficiency requirements, the field is constantly evolving. You'll never be bored. I've been an HVAC tech for 29 years, and the best way I recommend you to get into HVAC without having any experience is through the Course Careers, free HVAC course linked in the description. It will teach you exactly how to get hired. And if you decide on the full course, it covers everything you need to get your first job. The full course includes the skills to do the job and everything you need to actually get hired. So check it out. Number 2 best, data center technician. This might not sound like a trade, but trust me, it is. Every Netflix show you binge, every Instagram story you post, every Zoom call you make, it all runs through data centers. And those data centers need people to maintain them. Lots of people. The median salary is $60K, but senior techs at major companies like Google or Amazon are making $90K to $120K plus. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some states allow data center maintenance contractors. Get your electrical contractor's license and specialize in data center work. You could be looking at $300 to $600K annually, serving multiple facilities. The work involves electrical systems, cooling systems, server maintenance. It's like being a mechanic for the internet. And the job security? Rock solid. The world is only getting more digital, not less. The number 1 best, elevator installers and repairers. Here's the trade nobody talks about, but everybody needs. Think about it. Every skyscraper, every hospital, every shopping mall, they all have elevators, and those elevators break down a lot. The median salary is $84K, but experienced union elevator techs in major cities, they're making $100 to $150K plus. Get your elevator's contractor's license? Now we're talking serious money. $400K to $800K plus annually. I know elevator contractors who are making more than some doctors. Plus, it's specialized enough that you can't just watch a YouTube video and figure it out. You need real training, real certification, real skill. The barrier to entry keeps competitors low and wages high. The bottom line, look, I've been around long enough to see trends come and go. But here's what never changes. People need stuff fixed. People need stuff built. People need stuff maintained. The key is picking trades that are growing, not shrinking. Don't chase yesterday's opportunities, chase tomorrow's. And whatever you choose, get really good at it. Because in 2025 and beyond, there's no room for mediocre. The best tradespeople will make bank. The mediocre ones will struggle. Which one are you going to be? That's on you. My final advice, if you're young and just starting out, go green energy or tech-related trades. If you're switching careers, looking for something with built-in job security, like these 5 best trades, if you're already in a trade, keep learning, keep adapting, keep growing. Because the moment you stop growing, you start dying. And I'm not ready to die yet. Are you? If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Oh, and here's your trade joke for the day. Why don't electricians ever get shocked by their work? Because they're always current with the latest trends. I know. My dad jokes are terrible, but they're free. So you get what you paid for. See you in the next one. Trade warriors, peace out.